I am Scott Burton. This is my wife Jenna. We live in Kosciusko County. We're here on our family farm today. We farm with my dad and brother. We farm corn, soybeans, and hay. We have a small beef herd, and we custom spread chicken litter across the northern half of Indiana.
I grew up on a farm not too far from where we live now. My dad was a crop farmer, and also we raised a lot of chickens, 165,000 chickens. I am a special education teacher at a local high school. I am in my second year of functional skills, which I help students who are receiving certificates of completion instead of diplomas, and teach them some applied skills, but also then helping them get a fair education.
We got involved in Farm Bureau with a Young Farmer Conference. Then I was asked to be on the county board as policy director, chairman. Then we became the Young Farmer chairman for our county, and we currently are township chairs. Jen and I are, and we just finished up our 2-year term on the State Young Farmer and Ag Professionals Committee here this past year.
My favorite thing about being on the committee was just getting to know new people and making those friendships. Unfortunately, our time was cut short with COVID, but we still are able to stay connected to them once in a while through Snapchat or Instagram or any of that stuff, and just stay connected, and I just really enjoyed that part of it.
We applied for the Achievement Award, and when we started filling it out, it's just amazing what depths that it goes looking back in your operation from when we started to where we are at today. We just enjoyed being able to fill it out and look back through the growth of our operation. For growth in the next 5 years or so, continue to grow our chicken litter spreading business. We'd like to increase more farm ground, maybe build a bigger shop, some more grain storage so we can do better with our marketing, and just with more grain storage it'd be speed up the harvest process also.
We have 3 kids. McKinley is 11. She's going into 6th grade. Harrison is 8 and going into 3rd grade, and Ellison is 7 and she's going into 2nd grade. So I really just enjoy living on a farm, having the space for my kids to just play and run around and that type of thing, and also teaching them just the responsibilities, especially with the show cattle. There's a lot of work that goes into it. Some days it's not the best thing in the world, but we have a lot of fun with it, and just continuing to grow that.
I guess the reason I want to continue farming and have the ability for my kids to farm is just seeing what you achieve throughout the year. It starts out as a seed in a bag, and you work hard all year to grow the crop, and then you reap the benefit at harvest. It's just very neat to be able to watch the plant grow through its life cycle, and just watch yourself grow with them, being able to grow your business, change your business. It's just been a passion of mine to learn about the farming and just to continue on.